Alright, well, since everything is arriving right before I go on vacation, the HM-01 did as well. I ordered the ignition kit and the skid for it, and these two packages arrived today, which is the day after I finally got the HM-01 started on the other skid. So, an ignition unit, and this should be the fuel tank, but here I got the ignition kit with a spark plug, a piece of fuel line, those must be straps for mounting the fuel tank, the decorative box for the ignition, and I guess maybe this box is upside down, but in here should be the fuel tank with the clear ends on it for watching the fuel level. Looks really nice. And the skid. So now that I have the skid, kit and ignition, I will have to assemble that when I get back and do some other modifications on the HM-01.